If you have a small child, an elderly person, or even an athlete in your family, and you haven't made this magic oil yet, you have deprived yourself of a natural painkiller that saves you. Just try it once, and you will have zero bruises and pain that night. Hard to believe? Just look. One night after football, my son's knee was swollen and he was crying. The medicine didn't work. Until I remembered that my mother had a golden oil that brings everyone back to their feet. I decided to make it myself with a more special combination. List of ingredients: ginger, lemon peel, cloves, garlic, red onion, turmeric, and olive oil. Magical golden oil. You will believe what I am telling you, and it is complete, and that is why we call it magical. Xenotation thought the oil is painkiller. Xenotation thought it is very strong anti-inflammatory. Xenotation thought it is homemade, and you can feel comfortable about what you are using, and it is free of chemicals and preservatives. Xenotation spot it is a quick pain and bruise reliever. Xenotation spot it treats varicose veins and rheumatism very quickly. Xenotation spot, and lastly, you have a natural herbal oil that is a very good option for children and the elderly with high utility. If you are looking for a real and homemade painkiller that has no side effects, save and make it tonight. Backhand index pointing left, leave me a comment about your experience, and be sure to send the video for the health of your loved ones. Ginger, and I recommend peeling it with the tip of the tool, shaving it and chopping it like I did, and peeling garlic and onion too, but don't throw away the skin of ginger, garlic, and red onion, because it is a solution for hair regrowth and treating dry scalp and strengthening hair follicles. I told everyone I enjoyed it because my hair loss stopped and my hair fell out and my hair follicles became healthy and strong. Just mix the ginger, garlic, and red onion skin with homemade apple cider vinegar. Let it sit for a few hours and rest. Pass the juice through a strainer, and the purple solution obtained is the cure for all hair problems. Friends, be careful. I used red onion, chopped garlic and onion, and added it to the ginger. Finally, I cut the outer skin of the lemon because I needed skin just before cutting. Be sure to wash it with baking soda so that the paraffin that is applied to the lemon to keep it healthy in the fruit warehouse is completely removed and eliminated. The solution is just baking soda. Please tell me where you see me from. Where do you live? I love to make friends all over the world. Interact with each other. If you need a special recipe, please comment. I will make the same content. Your skin and hair problem will be solved. Thank you for being with me until this video. Let's move on to the rest of the recipe. The list of ingredients with which I want to make a magic oil all have one thing in common. They are very strong anti-inflammatory and are considered painkillers and analgesics. They keep the muscles warm and relieve pain. I recommend to all of you, my dears, that you definitely have this magic oil at home. Children or the elderly falling or varicose veins that form on the skin and in specific areas due to excessive standing or high work pressure. And rheumatism or joint pain that occurs for several reasons. This oil will treat and advance the process. More completely, I want to say that it is a painkiller that also treats. This feature has increased the popularity of the magic golden oil. In my family, which has been around for several generations, we always have it on the pharmacy shelf at home. It has a very high use and excellent effectiveness. Just try it once. You will understand that it is very necessary to have it at home. That too with natural recipes. After adding olive oil to the list of ingredients, which were all cut into small pieces, along with 2 tablespoons of cloves and 1 tablespoon of turmeric, heat in a bain-marie for 30 minutes so that the properties of the ingredients on the list are all transferred to the olive oil. The presence of turmeric in this recipe is very important because anti-inflammatory, relieves joint pain, treats knee pain, prevents arthritis, reduces arthritis, and is a very strong antioxidant. After heating, 30 minutes are up. We give it time. The golden oil is at room temperature. Then I pass a third of it through a strainer so that the pure oil remains in the oil container. Pour the pulp into the main container of the ingredients list like I did, preferably the glass you choose, dark in color because it keeps the properties stable. Do as I do. I wrap the main glass container in a towel and put it in the cabinet. Whenever my small bottle of oil runs out, I refill it. Every part of the body that suffers from pain and cramps, I rub the oil and cover it with cellophane so that it penetrates more. Preferably, I also cover it with a cloth to keep it warm. Leave it for a few hours when he opens his hand or foot. It is as if there was no pain at all. That is why it is called a miracle oil. Please, please, please send it to people you know who suffer from pain and need such home remedies. Subscribe to my channel, which is full of special recipes that you won't find anywhere else.